Welcome to today's game. I'm Clyde Tilsley. Joining me today is Andy Gray. We're looking forward to this one, aren't we?
Yes, we are, Clyde. I really can't wait for this one to get started.
Despite this being a friendly, neither side will want to come away with a defeat to their names. There are some ultra-competitive players out there. It's not in their nature to be friendly.
Well, I know a lot of these players. I've watched them time and time again, Clyde. They can't play friendlies.
Messi. Piqué. Messi. Watchful defending. Milito. Iniesta.